Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Saurabh Sani and today we solve the LubBubble complete DS algo in 450 question series. Let's go. The first question is reverse the array. So I start with first problem. Let's go. The given question is reverse an array. So given an array A of size n, print the reverse of it. Input. First line contains an integer denoting the test cases to t. T test cases follow. Each test case contains two lines of input. First line contains n of the size of array A. The second line contains the element of the array. So यहाँ पर जो हमारे जो भी टेस्ट केस होंगे, जितने भी टेस्ट केस होंगे, तो उसमें हमारी जो टू लाइन कंटेंट्स करेंगी, यहाँ पर टू लाइन हमारी कंटेंट्स करेंगी इनपुट के लिए। तो जो हमारी फर्स्ट लाइन कंटेंट्स करेगी वो हमारे एरे के साइज के लिए कंटेंट्स करेगी, एंड जो सेकेंड लाइन करेगी वो हमारे एरे के एलिमेंट्स के लिए कंटेंट्स करेगी। सो आउटपुट इज फॉर ईच टेस्ट केस इन अ न्यू लाइन प्रिंट द एरे इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर। सो हमें जो हमारे टेस्ट केस होंगे, जितने भी टेस्ट केस होंगे, वो हमारे एक न्यू लाइन में आएंगे और हमें जो एरे को जो प्रिंट कराना है वो रिवर्स ऑर्डर में प्रिंट कराना है। यहाँ पर हमें एक एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है। सो एग्जांपल है हमारा फर्स्ट इनपुट लेना है हमें, फर्स्ट टेस्ट केस है ये, और ये हमारा एरे का साइज है। एरे का साइज हमारे यहाँ पर 4 है। साइज ऑफ द एरे इज 4। सो एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एरे इज 1 2 3 and 4 and output is reverse order 4 3 2 and 1. So this is a reverse order list, reverse order list, array in reverse order. We understand with an example. Given array example is ARR of element is 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So total elements is here or 6 element. So element is indexing is start from 0 to 5 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So yeah, here element is total 6 and index is start from 0 to 5, and start is assigned 0 because indexing is start from 0. So and end is assigned n minus 1 because elements total elements is 6 and total index is 5. So 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So here is basically swap two elements index 0 and index 5. So element is 1 and 6, between 1 and 6. So here swapping is done between 1 and 6 element. Index 0 and 5 is swapped. So index 0 and 5 is swapped, and the first phase is complete and result is, this is a result. So result is 6 2 6 2 3 4 5 1. So 1 and 6 is swapped. So 1 is here and 6 comes is first, and again swap two elements. So swap index 1 and index 4. So elements is 2 and 5. So here swap 2 and 5. So here swapping is done between 2 and 5 element. Index 1 and index 4 is swapped, and the result is, so result is 6 5 3 4 2 1. So swapping is done between 5 and 2. So 5 is comes to second position and second 2 is comes to index 4, and again swap index 2 and index 3. So element is 3 and 4. So swap elements, and the result is 6 5 4 3 2 1. So final reverse array element is, so 6 5 4 3 2 and 1. So index 0 is 6, 1 is 5 and 2 is 4 and 3 is 3 and 4 is 2 and 5 is 1. So this is a final reverse array elements. So Sam is here. So start is assigned 0 and end is assigned n minus 1. So swapping between index 0 and index 2. So swap I between A. So A is comes here and I is comes here, and swap is done because here is 3 elements. So R is Sam index, R is Sam index, R is Sam index, index 1. So the new swapped element is G, A, R or I. So 0, 1 and 2, index 0, 1 and 2. Let's go for write code. Start, write the code. So take integer array A size 100 and array size, for an array size taking n variable, and t for test case, and I and j for loop, and start and end and one more temp variable. So scanf percent of t and n% of t. This is a for test case, this is for test case, and taking for loop j equal to 0 and j less than t semicolon j plus plus, and start is assigned 0 and scanf percent of d and n% of n. So basically this is a this for loop for size of array, and end equal to n minus 1, and again take one for loop for printing the element, print element before swapped, and I equal to 0 and I less than n semicolon and I plus plus, and scanf percent of d space and n% of a of I, and semicolon, and take while loop start less than end. So while loop is start less than end, and temp assign array of start and array of start assign array of end, and array of end is assigned temp and semicolon, and start is plus plus because start is assigned 0th index, and end is minus minus because end is assigned last of 5th index, 5th last index. And taking one for loop for printing reverse element, I equal to 0 and I less than end and I plus plus, and printf percent of d space and a of I and semicolon, and last printf slash n for new line, and click on compile and run. So friends, here for input is here one test case is 1 and element size is 4 and element is 1 2 3 and 4 and output is 4 3 2 and 1. So guys, so friends, this is successfully run. Compile and run, and again click on submit. So friends, this is successfully submit. If you have any question related this program, so please comment me, I will answer you. And if you like this video, so please like, subscribe and share, and thanks for watching.